Okay, here we go, guys. It's been a while since I've done a video, but this one is something special. First off, I want to thank Tony and Eric at North to South Knives for this. This is really a special piece. Wow, that's just not focusing close enough. But I'm thrilled to death to have this. And I bought this the other night, just all excited. I actually went to the East Coast Custom Knife Show on Friday, and all I could think about was this knife. Kind of crazy, but that's all I could think about. Not that there wasn't some nice knives at the show, but here you can see Elliott Williamson Deuce. And the carabiner. This. There we see it in a Pelican 1040. Open this up. And here is my paperwork. And there it talks about the knife. The Deuce is all sorts of special. First we have a little milling action and accentuated swedge on the 3.5 M390 blade, which is a study in satin finishes. This blade pivots smoothly on ceramic bearings and boasts a Damascus pivot screw. The scales have been treated to a little, wow, big word, origami-form texturing, and then selectively anodized. The pocket clip is Damascus, why not, right? And this knife features a steel lock bar insert with hidden over travel and a Hoback rolling detent. Very nice. Another patch from the fellas at North to South. Oh yeah. Let's get rid of this case. Just look at the colors. Oh God, it's beautiful. Can only imagine getting it out in the sunlight. The dimpling. Check out that Damascus pivot. You don't see something like that every day. Looks like it's right down the middle. From what I understand about Elliott, he's quite the perfectionist, so you know, I'm sure that's just what he wanted. And instead of a serial number, it says NSK. That Damascus pivot is just smooth. Let's see what we got. Oops, misfire. Oh yeah. Wow, that thing is tight. Imagine it. Ooh, nice detent. It'll just take a little bit of time to get this baby broke in. Wow, really early lockup. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's real early. Tony told me it was only about 10%, and he's right. This is just an awesome piece. It's my my first from Elliot at Ferrum Forge. Look at that satin. Nice up here on the swedge, a little jimping, little see-through on the blade. That Temiscus pivot screw is just badass. Just an amazing, amazing piece. Thank you guys very much for this. Oh yeah, she's good and sharp. Peeled the hair right off, just like it should. Like I said, this is my first piece from Ferrum Forge, but judging by this bad boy, it will not be my last. Wow, that is just so nice. It's like glass. It's just so smooth along the edges there. Entered a nice blue. A lightning strike in there. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Again, thank you to everyone involved. Elliot and Mark at Ferrum Forge. And of course, Tony and Eric at North to South Knives. You guys are great. I appreciate it. And this is just awesome. Just amazing. Those ceramic bearings are something else. Wow, I just cannot get over that detent. It is just killer. Thanks again, guys. Until next time.